Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, especially on the East Coast. We got that nasty ice storm going. It is freezing out. It's going to be all next 3 days. I already got one mail postponed, so we just got this one in today. It is Try Treats. Use my link down below. You guys get 10% off your box every month. International snacks delivered to your door. You never know what you're going to get. Different countries. Uh-oh. I did not cut that, so I don't know if someone was tampering it, but it's all good. But all you got to do is click on the link and follow the easy steps. This is random stuff they throw in. Some interesting snacks. So here we go. And the country is going to be... So you get a postcard. Oh, Ireland. That looks pretty cool. And Ireland, we got what? Conor McGregor, and of course Becky Lynch. Ooh. So we get some treats right here. Potato. Ooh. It's like by Cadbury. I remember those guys. Cadbury eggs. Oh yeah, some good stuff in this month. But I do believe there's a option where you could just like pick your own, I do believe, but just take a look at the link and give it a try. Kegels, grown with love in Ireland, gluten-free. Oh boy, got the shamrock, sour and cream. Alright, we got here more chips, cheese and onion. Oh yeah, 100% sunflower, cheese and onion. We got more chips. It's a chip box. Potato, cheese and onion. Hey, going on here. Ooh, this might be a good one. Hickory barbecue flavor. Old Donald's. A lot of chippies in here this month. We got these guys, hula hoops. Oh, this kind of like Fritos, I think. Got the round barbecue beef, salt, vinegar, cheese, and onion. Everything is cheese and onion so far. It's not bad. I don't mind that. So, oh, Twiglets, crunch, munch, baked. Fiber. Alright. And we got this big dude. Bourbon creams. Ooh. And they're famous for their bourbon. They love their alcohol. Liquor. There we go. And we got, oh, this is the cranberry crunchy. Munchy. Going in honeycomb. So this is really cool. Like I said, if you guys want to save 10%, all you gotta do is click on the link down below. And you guys could save some money every month. That looks pretty good. And we got another curl. We got something else. Same company. Flake. Oh, this might be good. That's it. And that's about it, I do believe. Empty box. So this is coming from Ireland and Dishon. And mystery box giveaway. Gotta do the hashtags. Do it on your Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. What happened to the postcard? Oh, so pretty cool. Ireland. Cliffs of Moray. Moray? Alright, Ireland, eh? Bloody fucking munchies. We got a lot of fucking munchies. Emerald Island. Pretty cool. Alright, you guys, you guys can join the fun every month. If not, come back here, give me a thumbs up, and try one for yourself. Be safe, YouTubers. Stay warm, and see you guys back hopefully tomorrow, unless the weather keeps up, because I postponed my delivery already. So, see you guys soon.